The County Roads and Airports Department is about to begin a pair of pavement rehabilitation projects on the county's busiest commuter corridors, the Lawrence and San Tomas Expressways. The projects will make the roads smoother and safer for motorists, pedestrians, and cyclists.
Hi, this is Paul Pasquale, one of your engineers from the County of Santa Clara Roads and Airports Department, here today to talk about Lawrence Expressway and San Tomas Expressway. Two roads that in the very near future are going to be under construction. Lawrence Expressway is the busiest expressway in your county system, and San Tomas Expressway is a very close second. The goal of the project is to improve your pavement to give you a better ride quality. Also in this project, we're going to be doing improvements to pedestrian ramps for ADA accessibility, and we're going to be improving select intersections. Those intersections are going to be improved by having battery backups. So if there's ever a power outage, we're going to have our intersections still signalized and working for you so you can get from point A to point B.
Prospect, walk sign is on.
Your commute will be impacted. That's the unfortunate reality of the business we're in. We do not do this because it's fun. We do this out of necessity. Smooth, strong, durable roads are a safety issue, and we want people to get from point A to point B, whether it be at home, work, grocery store, school, it doesn't matter. You need a reliable road. The hours of operation are generally between 9 and 3. There will be some paving operations at night. For more information on that, I encourage people to look at the County Roads and Airports website for weekly updates.